there guys, it's Kim George here from yourchicgeek.com, and I want to welcome you to this new video tutorial that I've created for you guys to show you the process that I go through with creating and selling Canva templates. As you guys know, I run a PayHip store where I have a whole bunch of different templates that I do sell. These include things like social media graphics. They also include things like workbook templates, ebook templates, journal templates for those of you that want to start a journal and notebook business, all kinds of different templates. And so I figured that this would be a great time to show you guys just essentially the process that I go through to sell them. So let's go ahead and let's dive off into this quick video. Okay, so step number one, guys, is you want to decide what it is that you want to create. Now, I know a lot of you guys know that over in Canva, because that's what you're going to have, and I should have stated that first, that in order to make this possible, you will need a Canva Pro account in order to sell, create and sell these type of templates. Okay, so you want to decide what it is that you want to create. Now, my suggestion for you in getting some different ideas on, different things that you can sell, that you can create and sell in Canva, would be to head over to a place like Etsy or to Creative Market, because those are two of the biggest marketplaces that I know of where a lot of folks are selling a lot of templates specifically for Canva. So definitely head over to those two places and just kind of browse around and check out to see what other people are selling to get an idea for some things that you can sell. Okay, now I have an example here of some Instagram templates. Okay, as you can see, these were created and designed in Canva. These are some templates that I've whipped up a little bit ago, and this is just an example of some templates that you can sell. Now, with designing templates in Canva, there are two ways that you can go with this route. Number one is you can design your templates from scratch, or number two is you can actually go over into Canva and you can use their templates as a foundation, keyword, a foundation for the templates that you're going to be designing. So as an example, if you wanted to design some Instagram graphics, what you can do is just go up to the search bar, type in Instagram, and then kind of start looking around at some of the designs that they have in here. Now, this is a huge caveat and one that I definitely want to put out there. If you're planning to use some of the templates in Canva as a foundation for your designs, you cannot just go in and just change up a couple of colors, here and there, and then pass these off as your own. You cannot do that. That is against their terms of service. You just can't do it. What you will have to do is to basically remove a ton of different elements and do everything in your power to make your templates look completely unique and different, okay, from what's in Canva, because again, it's against their terms of service. And then once you do that, you should be good to go as far as selling the templates or downloading or selling these templates as your own. So that's a big caveat. I know that was kind of a confusion for some folks, but you have to come in here and you have to basically change up a lot of things, to make these designs your own. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I made that, really clear. Okay, so you have to do that. Okay, so step number two is going to be creating your designs. I said there's different things like social media graphics, there's workbook templates like what I've created, there's ebook templates, there's so many different things, there's calendars, there are planners that you can create and sell. I mean, there's so many different things that you can actually do over in Canva. So as you can see here, there's some different some planners and things like that they've created that can kind of give you some ideas for things that you can do. But again, you have to make the templates your own. Okay. All right. So step number three is you will have to create a how-to guide that shows your customers how to access your templates. Now, I've actually created a how-to guide as an example here, just to kind of show you what you can do. This is just an 8.5 by 11 template that I created over in Canva. And what I did was I just said, hey, here's how to access your templates. I always like to put a thank you message to my new customers, just thanking them for, shopping with me and then purchasing from me, all of that good stuff. And then I'll put something like click below, to click on the links below in order to access your templates. Now, this is the thing that is going to be key. Okay, and this is why I said that you will need a Canva Pro account in order to do this. You see here where I have IG social media templates, Pinterest social media templates, and Facebook social media or Facebook templates. You will have to do the same thing. So if you're planning to sell workbook templates, then you'll just come in and you'll type in workbook templates and so on and so forth. Essentially, whatever kind of template it is that you're going to be selling, you need to list that here. Now, here is the key part. Okay, so for IG social media templates, for example, you'll have to add a special link to each one of the different type of templates that you're going to be selling that corresponds to that different link. So this is what I mean. Over here, these are the Instagram templates that I created that I want to sell, right? So when I'm ready to add my links, what you're going to do is you have to go back to the set of templates that you're selling. You're going to go to share, and then you're going to go to share link, and then you're going to do share a link to use as template. Okay, this is key. You have to use this in order for this to work. The next thing that you're going to do is click copy link. Okay, and then you're going to go over to your how-to guide, and then you want to highlight the corresponding set of templates or the corresponding link to your templates that you're going to be selling. You want to go up here, and then you want to, I'm just going to remove this, and I'm going to do paste just to show you guys how to do this, and then you're going to click enter. Okay, you have to do this in order for this to work. You know, just to show you guys really quickly how to create your how to access guide, what you can do is you can pop on over here into Canva. You can go to create a design, and I like to use a custom size. I'm going to change this to inches, and I'm going to do 8.5 by 11, and then we can just do create a new design. So then here at the top is where you want to do, you know, how to access your templates. Okay, and then maybe you'll do IG graphics. Okay, and so from here you can go over to the left, and you can just find something that looks really cute that you can kind of doctor up that tells people how to access your template. So here's an example. So whatever it is that you want to use, so I'll use this one for example. This is actually the one that I use. And then you can just kind of start branding this and adding your own color scheme to this document to make it look, you know, more like your brand's colors. And then this is where you can start adding your text. Okay, and so on and so forth. You guys kind of get the point, right? How to access your templates. Okay, and then that's kind of what you want to do. All right, and then this is where you'll add a little body of text, or actually I could have did a paragraph or a subheading, but that's okay. So we're going to make this bigger, and then you'll do IG marketing, social media graphics, and then Pinterest social media graphics. Now this is going to be perfect if you're selling like a bundle and things like that. But if you're just selling like one set of templates, I'm going to bring this in, then you can just come here and just add this right here. Okay, all right, and then it's the same process. So I'm going to add this here, and then I'm going to go back to the actual templates, and this is where you want to go here, and then I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to go here, add the link. Okay, hit enter, and then I like to change the color just to kind of bring it out a little bit. Okay, and that's that. Okay, so step number 4 then is going to be to download your how-to guide that shows people how to access your templates. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and download this as a PDF standard file. All right, and so let me just show you what happens when you download the document. This is how they're going to be able to access your templates. So once someone comes in and they download this template, so here's the actual PDF that you're going to be selling or uploading to sell that they can access the templates from. So once they download this this graphic or download the PDF, guys, what's going to happen is once they click on the IG social media templates or whatever it is, it's going to say a template created by your brand name will share it with you. Start designing now. So what they're going to do is they're going to come down here and click use template. And then what's going to happen is that Canva is going to copy this set of templates over into their workspace. So you see how that works? And then from there, they can go on and they can rename their templates, and then they can come in here and they can start making edits and changes to these graphics like they are their own. Okay, so that is essentially what you do. Okay, and then last but not least is step number 5 is you're going to have to choose an e-commerce system that you can use to sell your templates. Okay, now I use the PayHip system. I think you guys have heard me mention PayHip, but this is what I use to sell my templates. But I do have a video tutorial that shows you guys how to go in and set up a PayHip shop, how to brand the shop, how to add a new product and things like that. But here, just really quickly, I'm just going to do add new product, go to digital product. And from here, this is where you would go to upload the actual PDF, okay, that we just downloaded to sell. And this is just a guide on how to access your templates. So that's going to be that. And then this is where you're going to put in your product title, a price, some pictures, and so on and so forth. But I'm going to give you guys a link, or I'm going to, give you guys a link below that shows you how to go in to set up your PayHip shop. But in a nutshell, guys, this is the process that I go through to create and sell my Canva templates. So I hope this has been super helpful for you. If you do have any questions, or if I was talking too fast, I am hocked up on coffee, so please forgive me. But this is the process that I go through, guys, in order to sell my templates. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope that this encourages you to get out there and start creating templates that you can sell in Canva for passive profit. But guys, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys around.